Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Nyi's Diary. In today's video, I'm going to review and also show you guys this brand new makeup pretend playset that I think you guys are absolutely going to love. It's this. This is so cute. It's a playset that is extremely beautiful on the inside. So this is such a cute poster, little girl. I really love this, but unfortunately, my set is this one. Let me show you the behind. There's a very cute robin here. Okay, I'm going to read to you guys. Looks like real makeup. The contents and everything looks like real makeup. And these cases are filled with eco-friendly for not real makeup. In case you guys don't know what's eco, it means environment-friendly makeup. Looks like a designer makeup kit. Perfect for dress-up play or to use with girls' beauty naturals. Very cute. So should we open it? Let's get started. Just finished peeling off all the tape. As you can see, there's a lot of tape. So peeling them out so that they don't get stuck with our product. Because if they get stuck, we can't open them. Just peel down them. Ooh, excited here. It likes a pizza box. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Okay, so this is the makeup product I got. So let's go! And we also have a makeup bag. I'm so excited. So we're gonna put a box aside. It looks like a pizza box actually. Let's get started. This is the makeup bag. It's really beautiful and really glittery. Even though it's not the addition that I like, I still really love it. The zipper is so cute. Look. And inside the bag, let's see. It's so spacious, guys. Look. I think it's gonna fill up all the makeup. We have some glitter here. It's really cute. Suitable for going anywhere. We got to the makeup. Let's go. First up is an eyeshadow. It's Janelle. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the eyeshadow. Wow, you got to be kidding me. This looks just like a real one. The brush, it's really soft. See, and it has some foam. So I'm gonna fill the material. This is just foam. It's environment friendly, as I say. Perfect. You're just going to pretend because, well, this is plastic. You shouldn't be touching the face. So, some purple, some yellow, some light pink, and some dark pink. Okay, now you're going to keep the brush in its own case. Let's put this here. Next up, we have a glitter pot. It's really hard to open, guys. The glitter pot. Got it. Just gently. Oh, we got it. Here you go. It's just foam also. This is go in your hand. No matter how much I scrap, how hard I scrap, it doesn't work. This is the product. Next up, we have some brushes. Ooh, it's going to be very interesting. 3, big, small, and medium. Let's open each of them. The first one, let's get makeup. Ooh, really soft and really soft and comfy. It's really soft. The fabric. So maybe when I have real makeup, I can use this to splash it on my face. Really cute. And I really love this glittery pot though. It's really cute. Next we have our medium one. Okay, this is so bad. And we have our smallest one. It's also very soft and comfy. It's not like the mermaid tail, but I actually love this glittery part. It's really soft. So I'm just gonna try a bit on my hand, but you shouldn't do it. Yeah, it feels really soft. I'm trying to put it in my hand. It feels super relaxed.